You got it all going on with your body. You got it on, baby. That's why I told you meet me at the lobby, at the hotel, girl. And you know what's going on every time I come around. What's up, guys? It's Robe. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play African style on the guitar. So I recently did a cover on this song, and someone asked me to do a tutorial on how to play this song also on the guitar. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, always feel free to let me know in the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's kick off right after this. The key of the song is key G, and the progression is 6 5 4. So the good part of this song, uses that progression 6 5 4, but there's also somewhere where there's you will hear G major chord and then a B minor chord, which I will of course I will touch on it when we get there. So well, for the E minor, so the chords are E minor, D, and the C chord. So E minor chord, I am using my pointer and middle finger. So my pointer finger is playing the second fret, string number 5, and my middle finger, string number 4 on the second fret. So that's E minor. So you can hold it as so, or if you prefer using your middle finger and your ring finger, you can also use your middle and ring finger. So that's E minor chord. So the chord that follows is a D chord. So you can either do a D chord from here, where you use your middle finger on the first string, second fret, pointer finger, second fret on the third string, and your ring finger, third fret on the second string. You can either play this D chord, or you can play this chord, D chord, which is kind of an inversion of a D chord. So so the way I'm holding this chord, I'm using my pointer finger to play, or rather to hold the 6th string on the 6th string on the second fret. My middle finger, string number 3 on the second fret, and my small finger, string number 2 on the third fret. So that's a D chord. That's a version of a D chord. So the chord that follows is a C chord. So C chord, you can simply hold it so, the normal C chord, where I'm using my pointer finger on the second string. I'm playing second string, fret 1, my middle finger, string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger, string number 5 on the third fret. So that's C chord, or you can play it as so. So instead of using your pointer finger on the second string on the first fret, you use your small finger to play the still second string, but now on the third fret. So that's C chord. That's how I actually was playing the C chord. So this one is it's a C add 9 chord. So those are the chords that you'll hear for the better part of this song, but there's a part where the variation comes, and it's where Burna Boy is singing, and it's something like, my life will be simple for you, but anything I say I do for you. So my life will be simple for you, but anything I say I do for you. You got it all going on with your body. So that part, well, just if you listen to the song, you hear that part he's singing. So that's where the variation comes in. And also at the very end, where they are singing something like Chelewa, 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 this. Chelewa, chelewa. So you just go and listen to the song, and Dikin, when you're listening, you'll hear that G and B minor chord. So I mean, that's it for the song. Maybe for the strumming pattern, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. You got it all going on with your body. You got it on, baby. Your mama Burundi, your papa Uganda. You can use that strumming pattern. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, always feel free to let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.